Alright guys, so this is just a fast video for you guys right now. So literally I'm doing a whole bunch of setups and stuff like that, and I'm sorry if I haven't uploaded no videos in the last few days or a few weeks. It's because I've been doing massive testing, and one of the testing I've been doing is with this guy right there, as you can see right there in the back, with the GPU all the way in the front. So let's switch that over real quick. Try to zoom that in. That bad boy right there, eGPU right there. So that's what we've been messing with right now. So currently I have my mic set up right here. So this is my Hollyland mic right here, Mark II Max. Actually, it's the Hollyland, what is it, a Lark Max 2, what I'm using right now. This I've been doing all my recordings, and I basically keep it right here. I do have the receiver right here. I am using this one instead of, where is it? Instead of using the mobile one right here. The reason why I ain't using the mobile one is because it's louder, but I don't have no room on the dock and stuff like that. But this is the reason why I love having the Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme, because when I put it in dock mode, I can have full advantage of everything that's going on. So yeah, it's a little bit cluttered right here right now. I am trying to figure out ways to put everything up, because the simple fact is I am getting the Elgato Stream Deck Plus XL that should be coming to, well, actually today, since it's 2:14 in the morning. So I should be getting it in a couple hours. I do have another dock station coming. Basically, the problem is that for some reason this, when it's in full load, I get coil whine, and it's loud, and I'm not liking it. And a lot of times when I disconnect it, the thing's actually disconnecting. I did buy me some cords that's actually should have been coming today, but it's gonna come tomorrow, so I'm not stressing that out. But the thing is with this is that I want to make this with a cleaner look, and I've been going crazy over everything that's been going on with my setup and stuff. So I'm trying to figure out, because I am going to be putting a Stream Deck right here, and I'm just literally trying to figure out where am I going to put everything at when I'm streaming or doing whatever like that. Because I do have two computer setups. I have another computer that's actually on the floor. If I can get this paper and stuff out the way. Hold on, let's try to move this out the way. Move some of these things out the way, because I do have some things on the floor. I do have my other computer sitting right there on that floor right there, which is not on. I have my main setup right here. Then I have this right there. Then all the way over there is the other setup right there. That's why I originally had my Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme over there. But basically how I got it set up right now is that I have my switch over there. I do have the two monitors set up. So when I put the Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme over there, I have the two monitors set up, and I can do what I want. And I do have my other expensive keyboard. So we have this one right here. Believe me, this is about almost a $600 keyboard, and I have two of them right here, which is all from Glorious. So yeah, like I said, this is the reason why I like using this thing. I got a 3060 sitting right there, and basically I can play games literally maxed out on at 1440p. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So let's pop in Resident Evil Requiem real quick. So let's throw that on really fast, and I'm gonna show you my setups that I have on here, so that you guys see exactly what I'm working with. So we just loading this up real quick, and we're just gonna show you exactly how many frames per second we actually get on this bad boy. I do have my camera set up, so I am gonna be transferring my camera for this one up, and I'm gonna remove this camera from off my main setup, because I do use this camera right here, which is my Elgato Facecam Pro. But let's get back to over here real quick. Okay. Go here real quick. I'll just show you. You can see the frames right here. I gotta actually change up my frames on here real quick. Let's just zoom that in for you guys real fast. As you can see, the frame counter right there. May not be able to see it that clear though. So let's switch that over real quick. Okay. As you can see, perfect settings. I got everything literally maxed out.
Threat level orange. Confirmed in storage sector. Critical error. Containment lockdown failure.
So currently right now my frames is at 132 frames per second. Let's try to zoom this in for you guys so y'all can see that. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. I put it in pink so y'all guys can actually see. I put this part in the darkest part. So you guys can probably see exactly the frames. It's 131, 132 frames per second. And let's just show you what it looks like on the settings. So let's go here, graphics, image, you can see 1440p, motion blur off, ray tracing off. I should turn it on. Hair strain, I got it off. I should have turned it back on. I was messing with some of the settings. A lot of the settings I got set up for AMD. So when I'm not using my 3060, I can just go on and play it the way how I was playing it without really tinkering with a lot of the settings when I switch back over to handheld mode. But as you can see right here, high, FXAA plus TAA on, quality mash standard, space, screen space on. It's just everything's maxed out. I am using AMD FSR 3.15 and set to quality with AMD FSR 3 boost on, and basically that's it. I have literally everything on high. The reason why I turned the lens flare off is because I don't like too much of that flare on here. So I kind of keep it at standard right here. The shadow quality, I normally had the shadows at max like that, but I really don't need it. It just make things look a little too funny with it. So I got this all set up like this. So the thing is, I can put this in FSR. I'm sorry, I can put it in DLSS. Let me slow down what I'm saying. I could put it in DLSS and still get the frames and stuff like that, and just turn off frame gen. And I'm normally playing in quality. Even when I put it in performance, even right here, I got this at this. Even if I put this in ultra performance right now, you know, I'm getting 168 frames per second. Now, the only reason why I don't put it in ultra performance is because if you look at the walls, you get a lot of that weird noise and artifacting on towards it, and I don't like it. And it just make things don't look natural. And I'm seeing flashing of the lights. I'm trying to see if there's any flashing of the lights inside here. So there's no flashing of the lights. Actually, yes, it is right there. Right there. So when you look at this wall right there, you kind of see some of the noise. I'm talking about this right there. You can see a lot of that noise on here. So that's why I don't play it quality on. I mean, that's why I play with quality on, and I don't keep it on ultra performance. So I keep it right there. So now you look at the wall, it's not a lot of the noise on here, but I can do this. And remind you, I'm playing with a 3060 OC. So, and this is the 12 gigabyte. So as you can see, my frame rates right now is 87 frames per second. A lot of that noise is kind of going. This is what happens if I turn. I'm going to turn frame gen off. So frame gen is off. And we have 56 frames per second. Which this is still playable. So if I was to take this off the dock, well, off my 3060, I still get the same frames, or probably more, with AMD. So that's the one thing I do like with this whole thing, with this Legion Go 2 Z2 Extreme. As you can see, native quality frame gen back on. Let me show you what DLSS on. I don't keep it on this because it just looks bad. So if I even put ultra quality on, it still don't look right. And you can see it on the floor, like it just really don't look good. Like if I was playing in a handheld mode, then yeah, I wouldn't mind. But when I walk backwards and forwards, you can see a lot of that noise basically right there. Turn this camera up a little. Let's try to back it up a little. Okay. So I basically just keep it right here. Like, let me show you DLSS right now, quality right now, AMD right there. Because this is a 3060, I don't get frame gen for the 3060. So yeah. So right now I'm about at 63 frames per second with DLSS on. It's way playable. Like I said, I do keep it on here when I want to, but because it's NVIDIA graphics card, but I do keep this on FSR here. Like, even if I do DLSS and put in the ultra performance right there, I still get the frames. But for some weird reason, when I put it on FSR 3.1.5 and put it in ultra performance, this sucker shoots up to almost, what, 200 frames per second on here. Just show you guys real quick. Put it back over here. Ultra performance right there. Yeah, we had 165. Put it back right here, graphics, image. Scroll back down. Quality. There we go. Yeah, so that's it right there, boys. Just wanted to show you this, guys. So yeah, so that's what I've been doing lately, messing with this eGPU 3060 right there. Still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do for all this, because I still got all the stuff sitting right here on my desk. As you can see, let me back up a little so you guys can see. So yeah, I gotta move this Stream Deck over here. I gotta figure out where I'm putting all this stuff at. I'm gonna have to probably move this Stream Deck over here and connect it towards this computer down here, or I may use this Stream Deck and put it over here for the Legion Go Z2 Extreme. I was gonna put it over here for when I do things over here, because I do have my capture card set up on this one, so when I want to do my recordings and stuff like that or stream, I can actually use this computer right here, because I have all the cords, the microphone connected into this monitor right here. So everything's just connected all the way towards this computer. So one thing I gotta do is just switch cords around and just go about like that, because I do have things connected to go into the other PC, so I can stream with the same microphones that I'm using right here. So basically I will run the stream right here, and I can just turn this camera right here, just turn it facing this way, so I can do the stream like that. But what I'm planning on doing is that I might move the capture card and bring the, actually, I don't even have to move the capture card. I have an Elgato 4K capture right here. So what I plan on doing is probably connect this 4K capture towards this GPU and run it like that, and use this computer right here to basically stream right here. And it makes it even better, because then I can just use this camera right here, which will be going directly in, which is already connected towards this computer right here to do the streams if I want to. Or I can use this camera right here to do live streams also, because I do have things connected down here towards this PC down here. So yeah, I have multiple ways to stream if I want to, or record and stuff like that. So yeah. Oh yeah, and when somebody asked me this question about my Y70, I do this to test out my frames per second right here. So I have that set up like that. So when I do my gameplays and things, let me zoom that in for you guys real quick. I have that set up like that. So can we? No, we have to turn live tracking off. Turn it off. Can we turn it off? Well, we have to turn it off. So yeah, but I do keep that on like that so I can actually do my streams and stuff like that. I don't know why this thing is so bright like that. But yeah, I am watching the thing with iJustine with the new MacBook Pros and new 3080s and stuff like that. So yeah, I do have one of my Stream Deck things on my screen because I do like to look at my GPU temps, my sub counts and stuff like that. Pop on Call of Duty, my YouTube channel, YouTube Studio, turn on my lights. So I got that, as you can see right here. Pop that on, lights come on, hit that, goes back off. Control the light into my room. So as you can see, it just got dark. All my lights that I got set up right here. Turn it back on. As you can see, make it bright pink like that. So yeah, that's the setup, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna catch you guys later. I have another video that's coming up very soon, and I will catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace.